Hello, my SAP friends. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going into the world of SAP and will explore how we can create purchase order from purchase requisition. So, procurement in every organization starts with gathering requirements. And once these requirements are gathered, we need to inform the purchasing organization, which is responsible for the procurement activities. So, this can be done by creating purchase requisition, which is an internal document sent out to the purchasing organization to letting them know about our requirements of materials or services. Whereas purchase order is the official document that is sent out to the vendor confirming the order details. So let's dive in and see how we can streamline this process. First step which we will need to perform is to create the purchase requisition. The T code to create purchasing requisition is ME21N, or we can go via menu path as well. So that is logistics, materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, and create. As we can see, it is ME51N. We can directly enter the T code in the command bar if we do not want to use the menu path. So this is the screen for a creation of purchase requisition. First, we need to enter the material, which material we would like to procure from the vendor, in how much quantity. What is the unit of this material? For our case, it is piece. Delivery date, by which date we would like the material to be delivered to us from the vendor. So let's go ahead with 30th. Material group we need to enter. For which plant we are ordering. There are more fields which we can enter, but we have entered the mandatory fields. This is the symbol for check if there are any errors in our requisition. So we have clicked on the check button. No issues. So let's go ahead and save it. We have created our purchase requisition. If you would like to explore how and what more fields we can enter in purchase requisition, we have created separate video for that. The link is attached in the comment and description. So let's go ahead and create the purchase order. So the T code that is used to create purchase order is ME21N. We will use slash O. That is slash O is used to open it in the another window, whereas slash N is used to open it in the same window. So let's go ahead and use slash O ME21N. So this is the screen to create the purchase order. So we need to mention that we are creating this purchase order with respect to a purchase requisition. That can be done. We can go ahead and slide over here. This is the field that is purchase requisition field, where we can enter our purchase requisition number, or if you are not aware of the purchase requisition, you can click on this document overview on, and the purchase requisition that are created will be displayed over here. So let's go ahead and take this, drag and drop into this basket. We are adding the product to the basket, how we do in the shopping. So it is asking for the org data, as purchase group and company code are auto populated because we entered the plant in the purchase requisition. The plant which is assigned to this company code is itself populated. So that is why the system knows that for company code 3000 we are creating the purchase order. We need to enter the vendor from which vendor we are requesting this material. Let's go ahead. Net price we need to enter. Let's go and enter 20. Let's check if there are any mandatory fields which we did not enter. Yes, currency, that is which currency? INR. No messages issued during check, so everything is fine. We have added the purchase requisition. We see we dragged and dropped, so that is why it came directly. Otherwise we can add, if you know the number, you can add in this field itself. You do not need to drag and drop. Let's save it. So our PO is created, and as we can see, this is the PO number. Let's copy it. We have copied, and we can see our purchase order as well. Let, let's go into /n ME23N, that is the T code which is used to display the purchase order. Let's open ours. So here we go. Our purchase order is created with respect to purchasing requisition. The mandatory fields are org data, material, its quantity, delivery date, net price, currency. As we can see over here, we have entered the purchase requisition. That is why the purchase requisition document number is being displayed over here. So that's how we do it. Now, bonus tip over here is the main difference can be asked in the interview. That is, what is the key difference between a purchase requisition and a purchase order? So, purchase requisition is an internal document that is documented to request the purchase of order or services. It does not bind the company to provide those services or to buy this material. It is just to register our requirements. Whereas a purchase order is the formal document that is to sent out to the vendor, which is confirming the order details and creating a legal obligation for the vendor to fulfill the order. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy SAPing. Thank you. Bye bye.